Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss on the topic Surds. This is Surds on the golden tips. This is golden tips mathematics. So today we are discussing on Surds. Today is January. Today is 25th January, the year 2023. Today is 25th January, the year 2023, and we are going to begin in question number on Surds. This is the question says that multiply the following Surds and simplify completely. Multiply the following Surds and multiply the following Surds and simplify completely. This is Golden Tips Revision book. This is Golden Tips Revision book. Then we start with question number 1D. Question number 1D, we say, which states that root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 5 multiplied by root 1 minus root multiplied by 1 minus root 2 minus root 2. This is how the question is. Now, for such kind of a question, that is number 1D, we say solution. Then we say, because the then we say this is for this question, we come and say 1. We are going to begin with this part of the question. We say 1 minus the root 2, 1 minus root 2 into brackets. This will mean multiplication into brackets root 2 minus, we have reversed the question, minus root 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus root 5 into brackets. This will give us root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 5 minus root 4 plus 2 root 6 plus root 10. I think you will understand me here, because it's 2 root 2 is this part. We have exchanged their position. This we have exchanged this to be first and the other one to be the second. Then we multiplied, because now then we have multiplied this as 2 root 2. We have multiplied 1 times 2 root 2 times 1 is root 2 minus root 2 here. Then we say root, this goes like we have exchanged their position, because Now root 5 times root times 1 is root 5 here. Then root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Then root 2 times root 3 is root 6. But remember, we have root 2, we have 2 times root 1. Negative root 2 times root 2 is given by negative root 4 here. And finally, 3 remains positive 3. Then we are going to say that for this, we are going to say root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 minus root 2 plus root 12 plus root 12. Root 12 because we are going to add 2. There is root 2 somewhere. Root 2 plus root 10. We have root 12. Then we are going to continue as root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 minus root 2. I hope we are together. Plus root 3 times root 4 times root 4. This will give us root 2 minus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus root 5 times root 4. This will finally give us root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 5 minus root 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 times root 6 minus root 10 as our answer. And that is question number 1D. For question number 1B, we say that question number 1B state that we say that root 3 minus root 2 multiplied by root 3 plus root 2. Now say solution. Here we're going to say root 3 minus root 2 root 3 minus root 2 not really. Here we are going to do it like this because we have to multiply both sides by each of the root. We say that we say that root 3 into brackets root 3 plus root 2 into brackets, then minus 2 brackets, no, this is negative root, this is minus 2, the negative part of the root, because this part of the question multiplied by root 3 plus root 2. This one will give us, because we have splitted the first part of the question, we multiply this part with the whole part of this question, then the other part. Here we are going to drive it as we multiply what is inside the root. 3 times 3 is 9. This will give us root 9 plus 3 times 2 is 6, which will give us root 6. Then we say minus brackets. This is 3 times 2 times 3 is negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. This one will be minus root 6. Then negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 minus root 4. Minus root 4. This will give us root 3 plus root 6. This one will be 3 plus root 6 positive root 6. Root 6 minus 6 is 0 plus 0. But the root of 4 minus 4, the root 4 is 2 minus 2. This will give us 3 plus 0 minus 2 is 1. Therefore, our final answer is 1. Our final answer is 1. Whoever have got golden tips can see the answer from the exercise. So our final answer is 1. This is our final answer from Surds. Exercise 1. Our final answer is 1. Our final answer is 1 for number 1B. Now we are going to page, we are going to number 1A. We are going to tackle for number 1A. For number 1A states that root 2, number 1A states that root 2 multiplied by root 6 plus root 8. That is number 1A. Root 2 multiplied root 2 multiplied by root 6 plus root 8. Say solution. This will give us because we are going to multiply what is in the root first. We are going to multiply root 2 times 6, then for the other side plus 2 times 8, all under root Then this one will give us 12 root 12 plus root 16. This will further give us, we can further split this as this root 12 can be written as root 3 times root 4, and root 16 can be written as root 16 can further be written as root 4 times root 4. Hence, this will give us root 3. Root 4 can be further written as 2 times 2 is the same as root 4, which here we are going to no, root 3 will remain, then root 4 is 2 times 2 plus root 4 is 2 plus 2 times 2, because root 4 is 2 plus 2 plus the other one is root 4 and root 4. So this 2 is for this root and this root. So this will be root 3 times 2 plus 2 times 2 because of the roots. Then this will finally give us root 3 times 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4 by applying body mass. This will finally give us 2 because of multiplication, root 3 2 root 3 2 root 3 because here 2 root 3 plus 4, 2 root 3 plus 4 because of the arrangement, which will further give us  this can be the final answer. This can be the final answer, or you can extend it to be root 3 plus 6. But this is the final answer. That is the final answer. When we go to the following question, we are going to look at question number from the same topic. Let us see question number 14. Let us see question number 14. A, for example. Let us tackle question number 14A. For example, question number 14A. Question number 14 states, evaluate the following. Root 3 plus, evaluate the following. Root 3 plus 1 into brackets root 3 plus 2. This will be question number 14A. Question number 14A. Question number 14A. This will give us for question number 14A, root 3 plus root 3 plus, question number 14a is root 3 plus 1 into brackets plus, not plus, multiply by root 3 plus 2 into brackets. This say solution. We say solution. Remember, this is Surds. First of all, in our solution here, we are going to expand this. Root 3 plus 1 into brackets plus multiplied by, not plus, multiplied by root 3 plus 2. We are going to expand this by saying root 3 brackets 3 root 3 plus 2 into brackets 1 into brackets root 3 plus 2. We are expanding this. We are going to expand this. This question number 14a. This is question number 14a. Its working is here. This will be, by multiplying this will be root 3 times root 3 is root 9. This will give us root 9. Root 9 plus, then we say root 3 times 2 will be 2 root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3 plus 2. Then we are going to get root 9. The square root of 9 here is 3. We are going to add 2 root 3 plus root 3 plus 2. Then we say 3 plus 2 root 6, because we 3 plus 2 root 6, because root 3 plus root 3 is root 6. Root 6 plus 2. Then we say 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 root 2 times root 3, because root 2 times root 3 is the same as root 6 plus 2 plus 2. Then we further say, further say 5 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Root 2 plus 2 root 3. This will be 3 plus 2 is 5 root 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 3 and this is our final answer. This is our final answer. If you follow our working, this is our final answer. We are going to question. We are going to number. Same question. Exercise 5 now. We are still on Surds. Now we look at question exercise. This is exercise 5. Number 13. Number 13 says simplify the following. Now simplify the following. Number 13. Number 13a states that root 6 times root 3. Root 6 times root 3. Say solution. Say solution. So root 6 is equivalent to root 2 times root 3. Root 6 times root, yes, times root 3. Root 6 is the same as root 2 times root 3. Then we are multiplying again by root 3. We are multiplying again by root 3. This will finally give us root, because we multiply what is in the root. Then this will give us root 2. Root 2 times 3 is 9 times root 9. Hence this will give us root 9 is 3, because square root of 9 is 3. This will give us 3 root 2. This will finally give us 3 root 2, because for this root 6 is the same as root 2 times root 3. Hence times 3 will give us root 2 times 3 is root 9, which is the same as the square root of 9 is 3, which is 3 root 2. And this is our final answer. This is our final answer, 3 root 2. 3 root 2. If you go to the same question, question number 13b. Question number 13b states that question number 13b, root 8 times 3, root 2 times root 3. Root 8 times 3, root 2 times root 3. We say solution. This will give us root 8 is the same as root 2 times root 4. Then for this is we are going to multiply it by 3 root 2. By 3 root 2, then times again by root 3. This will give us root 3 times root 2 times root 2 times root 4 times root 3. This will give us 3 times root 4 times root 4 times root 3, which will finally give us, this one will be 3 times 2, because root 4 is 2, times 2 because of root 4, times root 3, which will give 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2, this is root 3, times root 3. Hence this will give us 6 times 2 is 12 root 3. 12 root 3, and this is our final answer, 12 root 3. This is our final answer for question number 13, part C. Question number 13, part C. If we continue with our answer, with our answering question number 13, we look at question number 15. Let us look at question number 15A. Question number 15A, simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Here the question is 1 over root 3 minus 2. 1 over root 3 minus 2. We say solution. Here we say solution. Then for this kind of equation, for this kind of surds, for this kind of surds, we find the conjugate of the denominator. We are going to find the conjugate of this denominator because the question is in fraction form. To find the conjugate of the denominator, we say that 1 over root 3, 1 over root 3 minus 2, and root 3 plus 2 over root 2. No, okay, sorry, this is root 3 and this is root 3 plus 2. To find the conjugate is that we are going to make a fraction of the denominator, but the sign here changes. The original sign part of the denominator changes because you see that this fraction is the same as this here, but we change the sign. This is what we call conjugate. As the sign changes, this sign changes. Hence, this will be the numerator part will be this is the numerator part and this is the denominator. This is the numerator part and this is the denominator part. This will be root 3 plus 2 is the same as root 3 plus 2. Root 3 plus 2 is the same as root 3 plus 2 because we are going to cross multiply here. Hence, then the denominator part will be root 3 into brackets root 3 plus 2 into brackets minus 2 brackets root 3 plus 2 into brackets. This will give us root 9 plus 2 root 9 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4. This will give us the square root of 9 is 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. This will give us, I hope hope you are following me. I hope you are following me. This will give us 3 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 because of 3 is this, because 2 minus 2 is 0, root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. And this is what we get from here. Then we say, for this we are going to say that root 3 plus root 3 is root 6. Then, and 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Therefore, negative 1 root 6. Hence, this will be the same as negative 1 root 2, because root 6 is the same as root 2 times root 3 times root 3. Therefore, this will be negative 1 root 6 times root 3. But remember that this is our denominator part. No, this is our numerator part. And we know that our denominator is already given. So this is our numerator part. Our numerator is negative 1 root 2 times root 3. But our denominator is given as root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2. Therefore, this our numerator is negative 1 root 2 times root 3. Then over root 3 minus 2. Hence, this is our final answer. This is our final answer. For those who have got golden tips, they can see the answer, because this book have got answers. This book have got answers given behind it. Let us go to question number 14 now. Question number 14. Question number 14 of the same topic. Question number 14. We are tackling question number 14b. Question number 14b states that this is question number 14b. Question number 14b. Question number 14b. This is root 2 plus 3 into brackets multiplied by root 3 plus 2. That is how it is. We say solution. We are going to expand this. We are going to expand this. We say solution. By expanding, we say root 2 into brackets root 3 plus 2 into brackets, then 3 into brackets root 3 plus 2 into brackets. This is how we expand. This is how we expand. Then we say we are going to multiply what is in the root. 2 times 3 is 6. Then this is root 6 plus 2 plus 2. Root 6 plus 2. 2 root 2, because this is not in root form. Then say plus root 6 plus 2 brackets, not really brackets, but root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, plus, because it's 2 root 2 plus 3 plus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 plus 6 plus 3 root 3 plus 6 plus 6. I hope you are understanding me. 6 because of 3 times 2 times 3 is 6. Then this is the final answer. This is the final answer. And we are going to end up with Surds there. If this video is not, you have not seen it clearly, kindly WhatsApp me. 07 70 48 22 10 or 0707 526 372. For both begin plus 254 if you are outside our borders. For more, in our next question, we are going to tackle on indices. We are going to tackle on indices. On our next question, we are going to tackle on our indices. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.